So to start off with, cog learns how to move its eyes in order to ballistically be able to saccade to some event it sees in the world. So suppose over on the left it sees there is some motion, it tries to move its eyes very quickly over there, but then when it gets there, depending whether its eye is pointing directly at the motion or not, that gives it an error signal, a training signal that can then, over time, learn to get better and better. So it trains its mapping between visual coordinates and head coordinates and the motor coordinates of its system. And then we start to put the sound system interspersed in layered maps with the visual coordinates and the oculomotor coordinates. So we make the assumption that sound and motion are often correlated in the world. That's not always true, but often it's the case. So now cog hears a sound. It tries to saccade towards where it thinks the sound is, and then if it sees some motion there, that gives it an error signal for how good it was at looking at where the sound came from, given the assumption that the sound and the motion are probably coming from the same source. So it sort of layers up, first correlating visual cues with motor control for its eyes, and then correlating sound cues with visual cues, which then let it control its eyes so that it can look for sound. So there's a sort of natural layering and learning.